Kipat ba nong shong shnong ke jela Meghalaya, kamtam kitig be ye ke jingele ka ye kop nya kali, kin se yo ban saki ye ke jingnya kali mare thong, de ki nong nya kali ki bla tibet bha bat chempang na kelengkari India. Kin thup na du ki kali arshaka bat ki kali saw shaka. Kani ke lempung ban pen inam ye ke jingenya ye ki kali ya mare thong, kabla tip kum ka JK Tyre Powered Indian Racing Festival, a carnival of total control. Kaban penlong de Meghalaya Motorsport Society, ringkat ke jingas nok tilang ke Directorate General Assam Rifles Latkor. En penlong haga kat kendai terik mentau benaya yong arjar arpusan, haga kut jong ketanak sipai Assam Rifles kabedon Halatkor, haga banalor kinongnya kali bat tuk-tuk bapau na kelengkari na keni kejela, uway ni kiriu syampang haga nyak kali uba Jadin Pariat, unyeshimenta haga banya eka kali Formula 4. Ya kini ke lempung la pelong de ke jingkershan ke company penmi syaka kali kabla tip kum ke JK Tyre. Ke jing penlong ya kini ke JK Tyre Powered Indian Racing Festival, a carnival of total control, kamdei tang ha kini ke jela Meghalaya. Hashwa jong kini la dep pelong ru ha ke jela Nagaland bat Mizoram, bat hadin en sepelong ru sa ke jela Assam bat Sikkim. Bat kipai ba ki bawan petkaj kini ke lempung pen inam ha ke nyak kali motorsports dan kam thit tiket ne kanu ke jingsiu.
Basically just about pure entertainment basis. It's not like one of our goal events like racing. But of course we have the professionals here from JK Tyre. They've been a team of over decades. They've been performing. Mr. Hari himself has been champion for over 10 decades in racing, running. And Mr. Sunny also is part of the team as a precision driver. So they have had their legendary past, and now they're here to show the youth that motorsports can be something which can be done within close areas and can be performed, and their skills and talents can be shown. So they're here to showcase their precision driving. We have different drivers in different disciplines of motorsports. We have the JK team, that is Mr. Hari, Mr. Bobby and Mr. Sunny himself on the JK cars, which will be performing some precision stunts. Then we also have the drivers Ashwin and Sanam. Then we have the kids on the go-karts, they're 9-year-olds, and they will be showcasing how skillful they are with the go-karts, the racing go-karts. We have two drivers as well. One is an IRL driver, the Indian Racing League driver. And we have a Formula 4 driver as well, who has been participating in the JK Tyre Formula 4 and the Indian Racing League for about a few years now. So they will be we also have the bikers, they will also be showcasing their stunts. And they have been a team for over a while now, and they have been going around, touring around India and showcasing these talents that they possess.
It's a different event. There's no competition, but it's more of a demonstration and to show the people in the East as to what is really happening in the motorsport scene in the country and overseas. So what we're bringing to you here is some world-class cars, the Indian Formula 4 and the Indian Racing League car, which are raced all over Europe as well. So it's an international grid. This is a stepping stone for kids from go-karting to single-seater racing, and they are really fortunate to have these two cars to drive in India, which works out a lot cheaper for them. And then from here onwards, if they excel and if they have the right kind of money, they can then venture forward into the European circuit or the Asian circuit. As Pili said, JK Tyre has a policy to groom youngsters. We've been doing this for over now 3 decades, more than 3 decades. The likes of Naren Karthikeyan, Arman Ibrahim, Karun Chandok, Kush Mehri now, all of them have come up from the training programs that JK Tyre has been running for them when they were kids. So that's the whole idea of promoting motorsport in India and eventually having a Formula 1 driver or a rally champion in the world, a world rally champion and a world Formula champion is the aim of JK Tyre Motorsport. This year we collaborated for the last last year, and this is the second year we collaborated with the Indian Racing Festival, which is the Indian Racing League. Mr. Akhil Reddy of RPBL. He's the one who's got the grids for the Formula 4 and the Wolf cars, which is the Indian Racing League. So yeah, he's invested a lot of money, and we've developed special tires for these cars. And we're happy to say that we are performing extremely well with the benchmark tires that they had, which was the international brand. So the kids are really happy to have a good tire to race on, a reliable tire, a dependable tire, and which gives the best performance as well. So we've also as a company always looked east, thanks to the central government's policy of look east with the Prime Minister's policy of looking east, and we've been associated with a lot of events in the east in the past 2 decades. We've been involved with the Hornbill Festival in Kohima, where we've been doing a lot of motorsport events during the festival. We've also been involved with the Orange Festival in Dambok in Arunachal Pradesh, doing PSD rallies, off-road events, and of course we've just come from Mizoram, where we actually held a training selection program for the Jigsaw Cup some years back, where we took a few kids, all paid for a ride in the National Racing Jigsaw Cup. So that gives an opportunity for people from the Northeast to be in the mainstream and take part in events that are held nationally and see where they stand and improve on their talents further. So that's the reason that we are here today, to showcase the young generation what motorsport is all about. Yes, we have a few other stunts and drifts. Drift by Sanam Seiko and Ashwin, they're professional drifters. We have on the bikes, we have Prashant and his team, so we've got some super bikes. And of course, all of us out of me, Sunny and Bobby are on the Balinos. Sohail, and we have a local lad, Jaden, who's also an aspiring Formula 1 driver. He'll be driving one of the Formula 4 cars here in his hometown, which we're really looking forward to in his home crowd. Yeah, and that's basically, and the carters, the young carters, that's the main thing, which our chairman, come managing director, Mr. Raghupati Singhania, really wants to encourage young kids, boys and girls, and support them in their career for motorsport.